Hi, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to go through how to record a customer payment and how to allocate this payment towards any invoices that have an outstanding balance. First, we'll click on the plus icon located in the main search bar in Workshop Software and then select Customer Payment. The next step, we'll need to search for the customer that's making this payment. Then we will need to put in the date the payment was made. In this instance, they're paying today, so that would be the 11th of March. Now we'll need to find the invoices that have an outstanding balance. Click on the magnifying glass with the plus icon, and this will list all invoices that have an outstanding balance. You'll see the invoice number, the date the invoice was created, the total amount on that invoice, and the balance that is due on these invoices. If they're only paying for one of these invoices, you can simply select which invoice you want. It will go dark grey and you'll know it's been selected. If you want to pay for all of these invoices, you can click on the blue All icon and it will select all invoices available. Next, we'll need to click on the green Select button to bring this through to the payment screen. This customer today is paying $1,500. So what we'll need to do is make sure that the balance that we're paying for each of these invoices is correct. When we bring through the invoices, the system will show the invoice number, the date the invoice was created, the balance that is due on those invoices, and how much we're paying towards these invoices today. For this invoice here, 51647, we're going to leave the amount to be $627.90, so this invoice will now be paid in full. The second invoice, we're going to change this to $872.10. And you can see here now the balance that the customer is paying is $1,500, which matches what they've told us. Next, what we'll need to do is note down how they're paying that $1,500. And you can do multiple types of payment methods. This customer is paying us $500 in cash, so we're going to select the payment method as cash. We're going to enter in its $500. We will apply it to this payment. You'll see here the balance is now $1,000 to match how much they're going to pay for us today. With the $1,000, they're paying us by credit card. So put credit card as the payment method, enter in the amount, and click apply. This balances out with how much we're paying off on the invoices and with the method that they're paying us. So now we click save. That's confirmed that payment has been saved, and we will now process this payment. Yes. With the green bar that's now showing that that's been now paid, we can go back into these invoices and check that they have been marked off as paid. A quick way to do this, click on the customer name and it'll bring you back to the customer profile. When we scroll down, we can now see that these invoices, this has now have got a zero balance, and this has only got a $51.45 balance. If at any time you have any questions on the features of Workshop Software, you can always access our help guides from within Workshop Software. Simply click on the question mark icon in the top right hand corner and select Help Guides and Resources. And this will open up a new page for you where you can search our knowledge base articles. Thank you for your time.